Hello friends, welcome to Ketu's vlog. So many moms have a confusion that what are the essentials required for a newborn baby. Here I am showing what are the important things required for a newborn baby. So first and important thing is dry sheets. Here you can see I have taken 3 dry sheets, 2 big size dry sheets and 1 small size dry sheets, because when we lay baby on the bed and all, if she goes for any pee or poo, this bed's going to be spoiled. So that's why if we lay on the bed, so when we put these dry sheets, like when we spread this dry sheet and when we put baby on the dry sheets, then it will be very useful. Our beds also, it will not going to be spoiled and it will not get any bad smell also. And one small size dry sheet, why it is required is when we are feeding the baby, we can put this on our legs and we can feed the baby, so that it will be very handy and useful. And the next important thing is baby massage oil. Here I have taken Dove as baby massage oil for my baby, because for good blood circulation and all we need to massage the baby hands, legs, body and head also. So for massaging I am using baby Dove massage oil as the good massage oil. And the next important thing is Johnson's baby soap. So for my baby shower and all, I am using baby soap as Johnson's baby soap. So whatever the brand you are going to be liking, you can take as a baby soap for your baby. So but I am using Johnson's baby soap, where we can have more moisturizer in that, so that our baby skin will be good and healthy. And the next important thing is baby shampoo. I have taken 2 brands here. One is Johnson's baby shampoo and the other is Spoo shampoo. Because in the initial stages and all, for babies they will have the cradle cap in their heads. So to remove that cradle cap, so I am using this Spoo shampoo as baby shampoo. So alternate days I am using for my baby, for baby shower and all. So whatever the brand you are liking, you can take as a baby Spoo, baby shampoo, as well as Johnson's baby shampoo also. And next important thing we can see here is baby towel. So baby towel is very essential. So we need to take very soft cloth as baby towel, because when we take any hard kind of any material like any other cloth, so it will hurt the baby skin, because the skin will be very soft. So we need to use very soft one. So here I have taken light baby pink towel, so with some different pattern like flowers as well as some images also. So you can take as well as your old dupattas also, which is very useful, like which is very soft and cotton. So that kind of dupattas, it will help for your baby's skin. So you can clean the, once baby shower is done, you can clean with this baby towel. And the next one is baby wipes. So you can see wet wipes we can have as well as dry wipes also. So wet wipes are very important, because if baby goes for pee or poo something, so we can clean the baby with this wet wipes. So it will be very handy. So we no need to run here and there. So with this wet wipes we can clean baby easily. So after this we can clean with water. And the next important thing is baby diapers, because in the initial stages when we are not able to handle the baby, so we can just simply rely on baby diapers. So here you can see I have taken Mummy Popochan as baby diapers, because it will be very useful. It will lock the water also. And here you can see I bought a big size of baby diapers, because when we go for buying a big size, it will get for some less price also, so that it will be useful. And we can put this baby diapers to the baby and no need to wash or something. We can directly throw the baby nappies. And the next important thing is baby clothes. So here you can see how many pairs, like what are the what kind of material I am using for my baby. Very soft cloth I have taken for my baby clothes, because it will be very handy. You can see what type of model also I am using, because initial stages babies will not be comfortable with these clothes as well as with any other material. So we just need to take this kind of just tying kind of clothes, so that we can simply tie them and we can easily remove also. And the material also you can look into that. It will be complete cotton material I am taking, otherwise it will hurt the baby skin. And the next one is baby bottoms. Here you can see I took baby bottoms as very soft cotton material, because when we are using for the baby, it should be very soft, like it should be 100% cotton. So it should be comfortable for the babies also. Here you can see it has some threads. We just need to tie that threads and we can lay baby. And the next one here you can see is baby lotion. So I'm using Sebamed lotion as baby lotion for my baby, and we can use Johnson's baby lotion also. So what are the brand you are comfortable for your baby, you can use. So once baby massage, once baby shower is done, then we can apply this Johnson's baby lotion or Sebamed lotion. And one more thing is Johnson's baby powder. So initially I'm not using any powder for my baby because initially they'll have the all sweat pores will be there. So it's not required to use the baby powder. So maybe after some weeks or some months we can use Johnson's baby powder as your baby powder. So it also refreshes your baby and it will be good for your baby's skin. And the next one is Himalaya Kajal. I am using Kajal as per my baby bindi. I am not using for any other like eyes or something. So only for bindi or for if you want to put for any drishti and all. So you can use Kajal. Here I am taking Himalaya as a good brand for baby skin and all, so that it will not harm for the baby. And the next one here you can see is baby nose cleaner. So in for babies and all, so when they affect with the cold or when they attack with cold or something, so when nose gets blocked, we can easily remove that nose blockage with this nose cleaner. So it will be very handy also, we can use, and we can have the baby rub as Vicks also, so that if they attack with directly cold or cough something, so we can rub this baby rub to their neck or something, so that they'll get relief. And the next one is baby mittens. So here you can see, so baby gloves and all, it is required when it is cold and all. And the next one is breast pump. So for manual breast pump, here you can see, so in the initial stages and all, so many mothers they feel that it is like some painful in their breasts and all when they have more milk and all. So when they have more pain and all, some milk they can do with this breast pump, they can put outside and they can store in this also milk bottle also. So if they just pump out the breast milk and they can store in this milk bottle, and they can refrigerate and they can use this breast milk again for their babies and all. So you can see here how this Avent milk bottle is there. They have the indications also, how many ml is there, even in the European indications also, UK styles also, like flows and ounce. So they can pump this breast milk in this milk bottle and they can give it to their baby. So these are the things. So if you like this, one more important thing is baby bathtub. So as we all stuck in this lockdown, where our parents as well as our relations and in-laws, where they are not able to come to our place, so we can easily bath the baby with this bathtub. It is very useful. So if you like this one, please like, share and subscribe.